Hello, let's make a DIY repair stand for your bike. These are the materials that you will need. All the materials used in this video is available from your local hardware store. The complete list of materials are also listed in the comments section below. Everything can be tightened by hand, but alternatively, you can use some pipe wrench to help. And it also helps to grease the threads with some WD-40 or any other similar lube. Here are the materials laid out. Alternatively, you can replace all the materials with 1-inch pipe and elbows for a stronger but a little bit more expensive stand. Let's start building. This is how to put the pieces together. Use WD-40 to make it easier to connect the pieces. Now take your two 24-inch pipes and connect them to the elbow with the side out. Now take your 60-inch pipe and connect it to the same elbow. Now take the other elbow and connect it to the other end of the 60-inch pipe. Now take the 18-inch pipe and connect it to the other end of the elbow. Now tighten and twist it to the same direction as the 24-inch pipes. Now install the pipe clamp into the 18-inch pipe. And here's our finished bike repair stand.